Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates that I've made to my Family Fund Center business plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and run through some of the changes or updates rather, that I made to the Family Fund Center business plan template. All right, let's go ahead and get the fun started. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to the Family Fund Center business plan template is I added a space for a logo. So if and when you do purchase a Family Fund Center business plan template and you open it up, the title page you are going to now be greeted with the what up top. What it's going to say is going to say Family Fund Center, and right here you can go ahead and put your company name. Underneath of it is just a generic logo. If you like the logo, keep it. If not, go ahead and replace it with your company logo, but you can go ahead and it now has a section for your company logo. And then finally, underneath it says business plan. And if I were y'all, I'd just go ahead and keep business plan for the simple fact that it just lets the reader know what document it is and sets their expectations as to what they should expect to find in the document that you're presenting them. The next area that I updated was the services offered section. Again, I did use artificial intelligence for generating, updating, and expanding upon just the generic template that I created for y'all for the Family Fun Center. So instead of just listing the different activities and giving a brief statement, uh, it, it, it improved the readability of the information that I had in there previously. Also, it's got a nice little introduction section and conclusion section for the services and amenities section. So it's a great little foundation. It's updated, and the readability is improved. So go in there, make your changes. If you don't have go cards, get them out. If you've got some other services that are not listed here, then the structure is here for you to go ahead and add that information. The final area that I updated for 2024 for the Family Fund Center business plan template was industry research. As we all know, having up to date industry research in your business plan is a critical component of the plan, especially for the Family Fund Center industry. So, what I did is I went to IBIS World. I have a subscription with the company, obtained the report for golf driving ranges and Family Fund Center industry. Not sure why they lumped those two industries together, but it is what it is. And so I extrapolated some of the information. For example, I updated revenues, profits, profit margin, wages, employment, and number of businesses based on that report. And I put it into my business plan template. All right, so hopefully this information and updates are going to be helpful for y'all. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.